Welcome to today's training on Box 22 on the claim form for therapists in private practice. One of the key aspects of ensuring claims are processed when there is a problem with the claim is by properly completing Box 22 on the CMS 1500 form. I'm going to walk you through the use of this in just a moment. I'm Kym Tolson, the founder of Bill Like a Boss, a comprehensive billing platform designed to empower therapists and other mental health professionals with the tools, knowledge, and confidence to take control of their insurance billing. Bill Like a Boss is more than just a resource. It's a community. Through step-by-step courses, expert guidance, and insider tips, we break down the complexities of insurance billing so you can spend less time worrying about claims and more time doing what you love, helping your clients. Let's talk about Box 22 on the CMS 1500 claim form. It's a small box, but it plays a big role. Box 22 is where you indicate the status of your claim. First, you'll choose one of three options. If this is the very first time you're submitting the claim, you'll mark it as an original claim. If you're resubmitting the claim, maybe because there was an error to correct or the claim was denied, you'll select resubmission, which is code 7. And if you need to cancel a claim entirely, you'll choose cancellation, which is code 8. Now, if you're resubmitting or canceling a claim, you'll also need to include the original claim number from the explanation of benefits or remittance advice. This helps the payer link your resubmission or cancellation to the original claim for faster processing. It's simple, but so important for keeping claims on track. Let me know if you have questions on how to handle specific scenarios. Let's break down when to use the resubmission codes in Box 22. It's pretty straightforward once you know the rules. First, original claims. This is code 1. You'll use this for all first-time claim submissions. Just mark it as original and leave the original claim number field blank. Next, we have corrected claims or resubmissions. That's code 7. You'll select this if your claim was denied or be rejected and you need to make corrections. Maybe you had an error in the billing code, patient info, or even the dates of service. When you resubmit, don't forget to include the original claim number and the original reference number. You can find that number on the explanation of benefits or the remittance advice. Finally, there's cancellations, which is code 8. You'll use this if the claim needs to be canceled completely, like if the service wasn't actually provided or the claim was submitted in error. And just like with resubmissions, you'll need to include the original claim number in the original reference number field. That's it. 3 simple options, but they make all the difference in getting your claims processed correctly. Now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when filling out Box 22. These are the little things that can cause big delays in getting your claims processed. First, leaving the original ref numbers blank on resubmitted claims. This is a big one. If you don't include the original reference number, the payer can't link your resubmission to the original claim, and that means processing delays or worse, a denial. Second, incorrectly coding resubmissions. Make sure you're selecting the right code, code 7, for any claims that need corrections. This is especially important when you're fixing something like billing codes or patient information. Finally, omitting proper documentation. If you're resubmitting or canceling a claim, always attach the supporting documents. This could include corrected CPT codes, a medical necessity explanation, or even a letter from the patient if necessary. That extra step ensures there's no back and forth later on. Paying attention to these details can save you a lot of headaches and keep the claims process running smoothly. Here are some practical tips. Always verify the original claim number from the EOB or the ERA for accuracy before resubmitting. Use payer-specific guidelines for resubmissions. Some may require additional forms or electronic resubmission codes. Train your staff to identify common denial reasons, such as incomplete information or mismatched codes, to prevent unnecessary resubmissions. And some closing notes. Box 22 plays a crucial role in facilitating the processing of resubmitted claims. Proper use ensures prompt resolution and prevents unnecessary delays. Remember, different insurance payers may have specific requirements for resubmitted claims, so always review their guidelines or contact their provider support teams. Join us in Bill Like a Boss to learn all the ins and outs of insurance billing for mental health. Like and subscribe down below for more free tutorials.